Alright. I am going to make me some fried chicken. Y'all better can cook. So, I have my seasoning. I have garlic, black pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and some jerk seasoning. Alright. So we got our 3 cups of flour. We're gonna add our seasoning and just gonna mix that well. So while we have that set aside, now we're gonna make another mixture, flour mixture. So we mixed that one. Now we're gonna do another mixture. Okay, so we're gonna do our beer batter. We have our egg yolk, and we have a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper. I'm just gonna add that to my egg yolks and just whisk that around. I love to whisk. I'm going to, I've measured 1.5 cup of beer, whatever beer you have. You know my rule, use what you have. Just use the whisk. Alright. Add the beer with the egg. And now I'm gonna add flour to this, so I'm making a batter, okay? So I'm gonna add the flour to this and make it nice and thick. Okay, so now it's nice and thick. Okay, let's get ready to make some fried chicken. So I have my drumstick chicken legs seasoned. I got my beer batter seasoned. I have my flour seasoned. And I'm just going to do the steps. So then you're just gonna coat it with the beer batter. Then we're gonna put that into our dry flour. So you can just coat it with the flour. Some people put this in a little bag and do it. Alright. And then we're gonna do another dip in the batter. Let's go. Shake out that extra and we go back into our batter and just coat it again. I think I might add some more liquid to my batter. It's very thick. We just do that over and over again until we get all 8 pieces done. I'm gonna put that into my, I'm gonna do more than one because we don't want to have some cooked and some not cooked. So let's do about 3 like that. Okay, so coat it with your beer, then you put it in your flour. And then you go back. Go back to your beer bottle and do in again. Then we're gonna put it into our hot pot. Let's do these two. All right. Now let me set the cook. The juice is coming out of them should not be pink. So let's send it. This one can come out. Right. Okay, so this is my fried chicken in a beer batter. Some of them are brown because I have a breadcrumb on it, so those came out darker. But this is the final product. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you. Remember to like and comment in the description below. Thanks.